Well, 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 what do we have here? A cheap eBay toolbox. Looks like about as tall as my $100 Stanley I got at Walmart years ago. What? Free shipping? Alright, well, my Stanley $100 toolbox at Walmart compared to the 44-inch Harbor Freight US General Series 1. Just the black part. This green part's totally different. Now, put it there. The Stanley's standing at a little over 40 inches. So that red toolbox should be taller than this. That would be awesome. I mean, just for, shits and giggles. I ordered it. Put it alongside here. Have more storage. And I'm just curious if this is real. I mean, it could be fake. It could be a scam. It could be scamming me, of course. Seems too good to be true. Usually when things are too good to be true, they are. So, let's wait and see. See what happens, right? To be continued.